So hi, I am currently fixing my hair. We're going to the Canon Powershot V10 launch in a few, and I will bring you with you. I will bring you with you. I will bring you with me. I will bring you with me. We'll see what's gonna happen during the launch. I will be talking about the Canon Powershot V10. I will be sharing my experience with it, and yeah, see you later. Okay, so I'm done fixing my hair. Ta-da! And we're trying to book Grab. And yeah, we already booked one. It's 8 minutes away. It's so hot. Yes, so hot. And we're here at Glorietta. I think this is Glorietta. Yes. Yeah, it's super hot. I don't want to go there. Well, that's Omniverse Museum. Ta-da! Astig! Let's go. Guys, sobrang ganda! Sobrang ganda! Can you see this? Let's go on the other side. So this is the Star Wars side. More Star Wars. We have here some lightsabers. Dun 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 dun.
Based pa rin po sa Star Wars. No? Pwede po natin hawakan. Ito po yung pinaka-modern na plasma light. Yung dati po kasi may bulb dati na. Then ito na po yung pinaka-modern na pwede po natin makonect sa Bluetooth.
Bluetooth?
Yes po. Sumasabay po yung electricity niya sa sound.
I'm very happy that I have here my Canon Powershot V10 to capture everything. Wow! What's this? Ito na yung favorite part ko. May Ewok. Guys, may Ewok. Wow! Look, guys! Wow! Pwede.
Interact. Ay, wala pa yung hat. Yan, go na.
Wow! Wow! Ano ba to? Ang saya naman! Hindi ko naman. Pag nakasarado kasi yung ilaw, maganda. Gano'n. Hindi ko na kaya. Ay. My precious. This wiggle. Oh. Wow. Hello.
Asan pa?
I am vengeance. Oh my god. Look at the Batmobile. Guys, kukunan nila yung backpack. Joke na lalagay na sa locker.
Dito na lang lang.
Dito. Gumalaw yun. Walang gagalaw sa inyo, ah. Walang gagalaw, ah. Kelly. Kelly. Ah, Kelly. Hindi ko kaya. Sige, bawat nakakuya.
Ito po, friendly po namin.
Hindi.
Hindi po siya gumagalaw, naka-steady lang.
Okay. Diyan ka lang. Ay, kuya, thank you.
Yan. Diyan po meron kami. Predator.
Predator. Terminator. Okay na. Di naman pala. Kelly! Di na pala siya gumagalaw. Thank you, kuya. Hala, meron ding ano, anime. Uy, Kakashi. Ay, uy, ang ganda. Bagay na bagay dito yung bag ko.
Kaya mo ba? More sa
Oh, fantastic. The cholo.
Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry.
You haven't eaten?
No, but your video is
11:40. Bye. My idol.
Hello there.
Chinak yung t-shirt kung ano eh. no?
Gundam. Oh, hello.
I miss you.
Kang, your number one fan is here. Pamangkin ko.
Ay, hello. May nakita ko. Ang ingay.
Oh my God, ang pangalan niyo po ba ay Kang Dupet? Nalit ko po
Di ba
yung...
madaming haters to sa
Yes!
TikTok?
Yes! Ako po si Chester Labaco.
Okay, so we're done. It's finally end day for the launch of the Canon Powershot V10. I'm here with Ate Kelly and we're going home now. Bye everyone, and thank you so much Omniverse Museum for hosting the event. Bye, take care!